So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix this issue on your VS Code that says cannot find Java 1.8 or higher. Now, if I show you, I do have the extension for Java that is installed in my VS Code right there, and even after having the extension, it still shows. So just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for simply search for Java JDK download for Windows 11. Now simply open the first website, that is of Oracle. Now here simply select the package file, any of them you can select any of them. Now if I select the compressed version of Java Oracle, just simply install it, and now once it gets download to your system, you simply need to open it. Right, let me quickly open it. And once you open and install that particular software, you'll notice that the issue have been solved in your case, and you can easily compile your Java programs right here. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.